fucker right in the pussy.
If you're listening to this, you are the resistance.
Oh, turn.
Yeah, no, they gotta put their fucking brakes on, because goddamn it, they might be going a little too goddamn fast.
Hey, we can get them right here.
Oh! Jesus Christ, I didn't know they were fucking taking all that. Whoops.
Whoop.
Nope, car coming.
Woohoo! Yeah, woohoo!
Well, goddamn, boy.
Yeah, this gets scary.
Yeah.
Just hug the right.
Oh,
Low gear, too.
Holy shit.
Woo!
Had a little wobble there.
sounds like a little death wobble.
Feel like I'm on Isle of Man.
Right? Oh, wheelie. Bump.
Fuck that.
It's like bump full of sand. Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Stop.
Left, hard left, hard left. Hard right in the climb. Wow.
Taking it one.
God
My
damn.
back tire keeps coming.
We caught up to a van. Caught up to a van.
Damn. Whose back tire does what?
Car coming down the left.
Car. Another truck. Truck below that.
Tyler, you say your tire keeps slipping out?
No, my tire keeps coming off. My back tire keeps coming off the ground.
That means you're doing it right.
If you're not bunny hopping, you're not riding the hurricane.
That's right. I come through a turn on the right-hand side. I come out of the turn on the left-hand side. Oh, car.
Car on the left.
This is a good road, though. It's weird. Like you have to be like in fucking 1.5 gear.
Right.
Yeah.
Cause like 1's too much, but 2's not enough. I'm gonna need this van to get on out the way. Come on, Quest, go on an adventure.
My bike is at 210 degrees.
Hey, mine is too.
220.
No, 210. I win. Kawasaki.
Let's take him.
Yeah, I was about to say, he's pretty far. I'm gonna wait for that.
I'm scared. Whoa! Woo!
Holy shit!
Whoa! Jump that one. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me.
God damn! Holy shit! I know you saw that, Dan.
Oh my God.
Watch out, this might be a car. Oh, you guys are passing it. Never mind.
Holy fuck!
Oh my fuck.
Now, have you guys seen the video of the rally or the sport cars going down this road?
And they do the jump back there?
Oh my God, it's ridiculous.
I hurt my nuts. Mine are inside me.
Car on the left.
Car.
Hey, that's CRV. Every time I look at Tyler, I just see one wheel off the ground. Oh, this is fucking awesome road. It's scary as fuck, but it's amazing. Holy shit! Well, goddamn! I see why they call it hurricane.
Because your guts are all fucking twisted up?
It's like Katrina.
Hey.
Too soon.
Hey, I live live there.
Hey, I live there, man. It's okay.
That's true.
I saw the damage.
I went through the hurt. Wicked blind turn. Oh, there we go.
God damn.
Oh, yeah. This is one that'll kill ya.
Oh!
Oh my God.
For sale. That tree is for sale.
I give you a good price.
Car.
Now this is where the good video is going to be at. All you're going to see is fucking Tyler bunny hopping. Instead of full tuck Tyler, it's going to be negative G Tyler. Yeah, like if you knew nobody was coming, this would be fucking amazing.
Oh, yeah.
And a little smoother.
Yeah.
But
This would actually be dangerous. You can go too fast on the road car. Like, you can come up over the top of these and not be on the ground and keep going straight, and there's trees everywhere.
Yeah.
Have you, like, Isle of Man TT, you know how they cover trees? They wrap it and boom. Like, them motherfuckers are doing 220 miles per hour. What the fuck?
I couldn't even imagine that.
Like, packing peanuts gonna do.
I don't want to do that shit in a fucking...
We got a car
cop?
on our lane up ahead.
Yep. Do them.
I don't want to do that shit in a video game. fuck actually being an Isle of Man.
I would like to do that once in my life.
Yeah, it'd be the last thing you did.
Yeah, but I'd be alright with that, I guess.
Just do it when you're 60.
We can all ride the Isle of Man, just not as fast as they do it.
Yeah, I could ride the bitch.
Yeah, that's open, right? You got just different classes?
I have complete faith that I could do it.
Well, the whole weekend it's motorcycles only.
God, that road was awesome.
I have problems though. My hard on is like going straight into the gas tank.
Yeah.
That's just how I feel. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we go back this way? Holy fuck. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so scared now.
Oh, holy shit.
I gotta build the back up to do this road again. Like, I'm so relaxed, it's like...
Oh, time to fucking... God damn it!
I'm glad I'm in the back, because I knew that was coming. Car.
Oh, my A-ball's just shook. Scary. Oh, fuck that. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my God.
Oh, how's it going? Oh, my nuts. Oh.
It's an easy way to ruin a road.
Oh, your balls. Oh, that scared me. A little bit of pee came out.
Do you have a tank pad?
I get it.
That's what those are for, right?
I see what you did there.
shit!
You were fucking sideways in the air.
Car.
Now that was some TT shit.
I got that on film, motherfucker.
So do I.
Dude, we should go back there and hit that again and get it on camera.
Oh, shit. Oh, I got the step almost there.
Tyler, that image is never gonna go out of my head.
Nope.
I thought he was going right into the fucking trees.
Sideways in the air.
That shit was insane.
I don't know how fucking high I was, man. But you were 2 feet
Yo,
off the ground.
Tyler was at least 2-3 feet off the fucking ground.
Oh, Tyler hit it too that way?
Oh my
Dude,
god.
Tyler landed sideways.
Gosh. I'm sure you already saw it by then, but holy fuck.
Cars that we're passing right now.
Cars, that just hit you. Whoa, car. Oh. Tyler, how's my camera?
I think it's still pointing. I mean, I see a red light.
Not an angle still, right? Car.
Go,
I can't tell.
Car.
GoPros for dummies.
Big ass bump on the right.
Last. Missing that one. Thanks, Elfod.
Holy
Big time. First gear. We got that big right gear. Lock up the rear on that one.
I just did too. Try not to hit you.
Tony. Be careful coming around this turn, guys. Oh, actually, I think you're recording the ground, Al.
Probably after he fucking did a fucking Travis Pastrana jump.
Oh, I like that turn. It's all right, we can hit this road again.
No. That's right. I'm set for the rest of the day.
You can hit this road again.
I'm set for the rest of the year. This is a once-a-year thing on the bike.
Oh, you're crazy.
This is the second time I've been up here this year.
Oh, I just don't get to come up here very often, so.
Oh, let's hit it again.
If my wife came on this road, she'd be like,
I'm never riding again.
Nope. What's funny is when you conquer a road like this, you feel better like doing normal riding.
I by no means am gonna say I conquered this road.
No, I mean like once you do it, you don't crash. I'm not saying like you rip it up or anything. But
Yeah. But you did it at an aggressive pace.
Right.
once you do it and both wheels leave the ground,
Oh yeah. It's like sideways. Right. It's like
Nothing
going on a
else
highway.
matters.
Nothing. It's like
Yeah.
taking local turns are like much fun. Way much more fun. Fuck this. Whoa. God. Yeah, I don't like going this way on that road.
Yeah, the other way was a lot more fun, but that jump was ridiculous. You burn a lot of calories on the road.
Oh yeah, I'm sweating my balls off.
I'm sure Tyler is too.
stand right here in the middle. Yep.
God, those tank grips would have came in handy.
A little bit more, Al.
I can't get it up anymore.
I can't get it up anymore.
Oh, Lordy.
Are you suffering with erectile dysfunction?
Hit Hurricane Mountain Road.
And have your dick go inside of you. Oh shit, that was kind of crazy looking. I just saw him put his hands up and he disappeared. I was like, what the fuck happened? Alphod!
Come on.
You just rode the Hurricane Road. You can't do that. We're off.
Man, that's gonna be some ridiculous footage.
Yeah.
You want me to see if I can get close enough to fix the camera?
No.
He's like, get the fuck away from me.
Once if I can get up on you and grab the fucking swing arm. Yo, Dan, your camera's like bouncing all around.
I know. Don't worry, it's got stability.
Damn.
I don't even know what the fuck it's doing.
I just want it for like 3 good shots.
It's like on a swivel.
Actually, I'm gonna stop over here, right here. I'm gonna fix it real quick.
On this road?
Yeah.
What's Forest Ring? Oh, it's a...
Forest Ring. Forest Cock Ring.
Whoa!
I cannot wait to watch you jump in the air, dude.
Yo, that shit was sick.
That shit was insane.
Unbelievable.
For not just me, but you guys that enjoy my channel.